Day 13 of trying to win my first bracelet at the World Series of Poker in Las Vegas. I'm out in the desert for 5 weeks to try and bag a bracelet. So a big day for me making day 2 of the 1508 game, but an even bigger day for Jess. She bagged up 15 bigs for day 3 of the 1K ladies event. Her day 3 started earlier than mine, so I was on the rail. Unfortunately, witnessed her bust out, shoving 15 bigs with Queen Jack blind versus blind. Not improving against ace 4 of the big blind. Great run, good for $4,500. And so it was down to me, and despite starting the day one of the shortest, I managed to spin it up and got into the money in no time. But after losing a huge one in deuce to 7 triple draw, I was sent to the rail with yet another min cash. If you want to see more highlights from all the tournaments, as well as the cash game vlogs in the future, make sure you subscribe on YouTube, guys, for the full WSOP vlogs. And after a long few days of grinding, we took the rest of the day off, went to Caesars, and celebrated/mourned our min cashes. Be sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss day 14 tomorrow.